In this installation guide, we will show you how to install one of Brandon Industries' Acorn fixtures, fitted with our LED module onto a 3-inch outside diameter fluted aluminum pole in 3 easy steps. This guide is intended to demonstrate the physical installation of the module and not how to properly wire it.
After you've made your wiring connection with the LED module, step 1 will be to put the globe holder over your 3-inch outside diameter aluminum piece of pipe. You'll want to fasten the globe holder to that pole with 4 set screws.
If you are working with a 4-inch outside diameter pole, our globe holder easily slides into the pole instead of over it.
Step 2 will be to clamp in the LED module to the globe holder, and there are 3 clamps to line up to make that connection. 1, 2, and 3. And then step 3 will be to put your globe over the LED module, and you will fasten that to the globe holder with 4 set screws as well. And then you are good to go.
Now that your LED module is assembled, you are ready to install it at your job site.